In today's video, I'll show you how to pair, unpair, reset, and also restart your AirPods 4 very easily. As usual, timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be down below in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Alright, let's get right into the video, guys. Alright guys, so let's start off with pairing. I know you might be wondering, where is that button that usually on the back of the AirPods, like how it is on the AirPods Pro 2? Well, it's not there anymore. The button is actually on the front. It's kind of like a hidden button. I believe they called it like a capacitive touch area or something like that. And all you need to do to put this in pair mode is to literally open it like this and just double tap, and it will go in pair mode right away. So once you're in pair mode, you can go ahead and connect your AirPods real quick. Just set it up real quick and right away you're connected. And that's how you put your AirPods 4 in pair mode. So let's say you want to connect this to a different device or something, you just literally open the case like this, double tap, and it goes into pair mode right away and you can connect it to a new device. Now, if you want to reset your AirPods 4, all you need to do is open the case like this and double tap 3 times. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you'll see it will flash amber for a while. And once it flash green, that means it's factory reset. So that's how you reset the AirPods 4. As you guys can see, after I factory reset it, it is now disconnected from all my devices. So I have to go ahead and connect back to it if I want to connect back to it. Now, let's say you want to unpair your AirPods from your device. Just simply go to Bluetooth settings and find the AirPods that you're connected to, and literally just click on it like that. Scroll all the way to the bottom and just do forget this device, and just like that, pretty much it will be unpaired from your device. As you can see right here, it is unpaired. It's currently looking for a device to connect to. So as you can see right here, I have to connect back to it again if I want to connect. So that's how you unpair your AirPods 4 from your iPhone. Now, let's say you want to restart your AirPods. All you need to do is put all your AirPods in the case like this and just put them in the case like this. And after you do that, just literally close the case for 10 seconds and that will restart your AirPods pretty fast. So after 10 seconds, your AirPods should restart. So if your AirPods is giving you like some issues, you may want to just give it a quick restart, which takes like 10 seconds to do. That's how you pair, unpair, restart, and reset your AirPods 4. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Leave a like on this video if this video was helpful to you, and also subscribe because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. That's been it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Wait, is this the first Apple device without a button? I think Apple is onto something here. Wow.